welcome back to class. This is Mr. DBA's English online class for senior secondary school students, especially those of us that are getting ready for our external examination at both WAEC and UTME level. In the last class, we saw how a noun phrase functions as the subject of the sentence. In this video lesson, we're going to be looking at the noun phrase and when it functions as the object of the verb in the sentence. Object of the verb in the sentence. It does this function, or it performs this function when it comes after, when the noun phrase comes after the verb in that particular expression. The noun phrase functions as the object of the verb in the sentence when it comes after the verb in the sentence. Don't forget that noun, the nominal group of the noun phrase functions whether as a clause or as a phrase, performs positional function. So we are looking at what is the position of the noun phrase now. Is it before the verb in the sentence or after the verb in the sentence? In this particular example, we are looking at the noun phrase as the object of the verb in a given sentence. Let's go to the example. Example number one. The principal bought a brand new car. The principal bought a brand new car. Now, if you look at this expression, the underlying expression, of course, is the noun phrase. Now, it is coming after the verb bought in the sentence. It is coming after the verb bought in the sentence. So, therefore, it is a noun phrase, and the function is that it is the object of the verb bought. Example number two. Mr. DBA disclosed the facts of the case. Mr. DBA disclosed the facts of the case. In this expression, the fact of the case is the noun phrase, and it is coming after the verb disclosed. Number three, the teacher beats the erring student mercilessly. The teacher beats the erring student mercilessly. So, in this expression, we are looking at the expression the erring student mercilessly as a noun phrase, and it's coming after the verb beats. So therefore, this is a noun phrase and it is the object of the verb beats. So how do I answer the questions in a WAEC situation, a NEPO situation, or GC situation? The moment you have identified the type of phrase, whether it is noun phrase, adjectival phrase, or adverbial phrase, then let's look at this here. This is a noun phrase. So how do I answer it? Just like the other one. Now, let's take the case of the first one as an example. So your answer is, this is a noun phrase. And what's the function? It is the object of the verb. What's the verb here? Bought. And that is how you answer your question. And don't forget that in each of these cases, your mark here is 3. Here you have 1 mark, and here you have 2 marks. So these are the marks that you must never give to your examiners. They don't need it. You are the one that needs the mark. I wish you all the best. As you watch the video, share the link, tell your friends about DBA online English language revision class for senior secondary school students. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.